Good day everyone, Phoenix Universe Capital Holdings and Phoenix Dream Voyage Studios, thank you for wishing to find out a little bit more about us. Phoenix Solutions 3D is a future-ready multifaceted organization deeply involved in VR, robotics, and big data. Over the years our organization has acquired the rights to some of the world's best technologies in a prodigious amount of fields, from water to energy, from construction to nanotechnology, and health and military applications. We bring with us system thinking and are experts in closed-loop systems. Our organization has invested heavily in software and media solutions over the years. Our media arm Phoenix Dream Voyage Studios has its own ad server, its own affiliate system, traffic exchange, CRM, and TV channel on Amazon Fire and analytics systems. With in-house SEO web developers and full-stack programmers, the organization has dealt with numerous satisfied customers over the years. The organization is also currently developing its blockchain on the blockchain domain. The organization is also investing and acquiring the license for its exchange, which is currently underway. The organization has invested in a crypto mining farm and is currently awaiting its Modix 180X large-scale 3D printer, which will be arriving in September and which will be used to increase our organization's revenue, as well as reduce costs by printing the frames that we use in our GPU, which stands for Graphics Processing Unit Mining Farm, rather than buying expensive ones that meet our needs. The organization currently has 60 GPU 6600 RX AMD graphics cards that are mining 24/7 of an hour a day, and by the end of the year the organization plans on expanding the number of GPU mining cards in the farm to approximately 126 cards. Currently the organization's financial projections can be seen here. The organization is underway to finance our gold mining operation on a small scale in Zimbabwe and its own robotics company Cyclone Robots, which it plans on doing so in 2023 and into 2026 according to our current organization's strategic objectives. For us, it is a natural progression from patent and IP owners into manufacturing ourselves. The organization there has formed relationships with 3D Systems as we intend on deploying the 3D DMP Factory 500 for our needs. The solution is comprised of function-specific modules designed to maximize efficiency by optimizing utilization. Each module within the factory solution is fully integrated with a removable print module RPM, which is vacuum sealable for a controlled print environment and engineered to move between printer and powder modules for continuous production workflow. Printer modules PTM are designed for ongoing, 24/7 printing of parts. The depowdering module DPM and powder recycling module PRM are designed to efficiently depowder parts on build platforms and automatically recycle unused powder materials to prepare the RPM for the next build. Hence we will be able to configure the factory with the optimum number and type of modules we intend to manufacture to meet our production workflow needs. Phoenix Solutions 3D has the right to represent WorldViz in South Africa and other parts of Africa and is the official distributor. Santa Barbara, Caliph, Business Wire, the company that powers virtual reality, today announced that it has raised an undisclosed amount in Series A funding from Intel Capital. Virtual reality in the enterprise will enable businesses to transform the way they communicate, design, and train. With Intel's long-standing history as a leader in enterprise computing, we're eager to begin this partnership and the next phase of our business growth. Intel's commitment to WorldViz is a strong statement that the enterprise virtual reality market is poised for rapid expansion and WorldViz is positioned to capture this growth, said Andy Beal, CEO of WorldViz. With Intel's long-standing history as a leader in enterprise computing, we're eager to begin this partnership and the next phase of our business growth. Our investment in WorldViz is consistent with Intel's strategy to advance natural computing experiences, including virtual reality technology, said Gregory Bryant, Vice President of Intel's Client Computing Group and General Manager of Desktop Client Platforms. Enterprises have barely tapped the potential of virtual reality, and WorldViz has demonstrated both a technical and business vision to drive adoption of virtual reality in professional settings, anchored on Intel architecture. By combining the company's software and Intel's RealSense 3D technology, developers and ODMs will be able to rapidly create virtual reality content and deploy it on a wide range of devices for a fully immersive experience, Bryant added. WorldViz's virtual reality development studio Vizid is a comprehensive collection of tools and services for creating virtual reality applications. The company's patent-pending interactive visualization and simulation technologies are deployed across more than 1,500 Fortune 500 companies, academic institutions, and government agencies. WorldVis's turnkey architecture visualization solutions let AEC professionals virtually walk through their BIM models and experience a stunning sense of their space in 3D, and Visit is an easy-to-learn 3D development platform complete with everything needed to build interactive and immersive 3D content. WorldVis and Intel will work together to develop scientific and industrial virtual reality offerings integrated with Intel computing frameworks and to provide virtual reality platform technologies for the fast-growing pool of developers requiring dedicated tools for immersive content creation. Founded in 2002, WorldVis has more than a decade's head start in deploying a hardware-agnostic virtual reality development studio and is the only company that delivers turnkey solutions including software, hardware, and services. With its world-class team of virtual reality professionals, WorldVis can offer customers a full range of services, including licensing Visit to smaller enterprises, on-demand design services, or installing and running massive virtual reality systems for simulation and design applications conferences. WorldVis has the ability to take both Unreal Engine and Unity to warehouse scale through the useful application of its PPT motion tracking lenses. This organization WorldVis will provide us with the best-in-class software to design and develop both VR, AR, robotics, and IoT solutions. This powerful rapid application development tool can also be used for marketing by developing applications that help educate or make engaging. WorldVis solutions along with Phoenix Solutions 3Ds, ad server and digital marketing, media agency, and studio network make the company the perfect fit for managing the DMP Factory 500. The organization then plans on utilizing the DMP Factory 500 along with standard CNC equipment to manufacture technologies like the Active Pure, our state-of-the-art air purifier, which was designed as a response to COVID-19, with its roots in NASA and other groundbreaking technologies, or the electric engines and/or components Venus Motors along with Phoenix Universe may look to manufacture. Venus Motors is a USA-based electric car manufacturer who has been working closely with Phoenix Universe to introduce their products and services and set up necessary facilities in South Africa for their expansion. Our organization intends on developing these and different technologies using the DPM 500 factory and CNC equipment on our own line of robots, which will at first be based on the robotic design created by InMove, in our R&D stage. This 3D printable robot will give our organization much-needed experience in this field. Until we are able to and plan on upgrading the InMove robot, modifying it as we are using it as a base and starting point in developing our own design of every component, ready for mass sales. To do this we will utilize SolidWorks software, 3ds Max, and Adobe Suite, as well as Visit's engine. This enables us to both visually see what we are building before we do it to the very millimeter and allows us to also control and program the AI necessary to run the robot or any robot for that matter using its powerful Python 6 engine Visit. Visit has the power to provide AI solutions for the safety and security of enterprises and government organizations that require real-time actionable insights from drone and CCTV data through its AI-powered and edge-based video analytics platform called Visit. Visit is currently being used by smart cities and private compounds, construction and manufacturing sites, oil and gas facilities, and event management companies. Visit works seamlessly with multiple off-the-shelf drones, CCTV, and VMS products. It has applications in health and safety, and security and surveillance. Our product Visit uses various machine learning models with computer vision techniques to analyze videos in real time. WorldVis also is the only VR company that has an application to use and add spherical media to VR presentations using Visible, our no-coding VR creation and conferencing software on the Insta360 Pro. The Insta360 Pro 2 VR camera with Farsight bundle from Insta360 captures 360 spherical VR videos and stills in configurations up to 8K 3D. This successor to the Insta360 Pro can record immersive 8K video while streaming in 4K and includes the Farsight remote monitoring system. Insta360 Pro 2 features include precise 9-axis flow state stabilization, crystal view monitoring on standard devices, automatic proxy file creation, and stitch-free editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for your time in discovering what we can do for you in VR, AR and robotics and what our current organization is doing and working towards and has been for some time now. We develop Dropship with our partners Grit Systems. These ready smart parks currently have been visualized and all costings for such a smart park, all the equipment and apparatuses needed, the labor manpower from the cleaner to the programmers and content writers have been accounted for in our financial plans of this concept design. The design that we intend on building in the real world and in the digital world backed by resources collectively the organization and its partners have. At first you will see two large buildings. This is where we plan on setting up the manufacturing facility for Venus Motors. You need two distinct buildings for this. On the left you will see our building we plan on erecting for a communal building, and this one is our museum where we will have art that will be turned into NFT art and launched on our NFT platform as well as represented in our metaverse. This has been done to size. Then we have the next building. These units and space we located to air-to-water systems capable of supporting the needs of the manufacturing, banking and R&D media park. Additionally we have allocated land for solar power as well as wind power and battery storage over here. This will be our movie production facility. Don't be fooled by the size, it's over 100,000 square meters. All of the top-of-the-range equipment has already been costed as well as replicated versions of the very tools and technology needed for the ecosystem in 3D have been identified. As we intend on building a replicated version of our smart city in VR in the metaverse. Our intended center will also have with it 1. A VR arcade, 2. A photo, music studio, 3. Zero latency VR facility, 4. GPU mining, 5. Programming, animation center, 6. 3D printing center, 7. Ready-to-go drop-ship quantum computers, 8. Call center, 9. Wi-Fi porthole, 10. Canteen, 11. Our DNA sequencing lab, 12. Our mushroom facility, 13. Our greenhouse, and finally this space is approximately 4 acres in size that's been allocated on this model. We plan on using it for our biorefinery manufacturing facility, the green powerhouse and charging stations. This square object in reality looks something like this. It will look more like this. It can both produce energy, fertilizer, and we plan on deploying these throughout Africa as an environmental way of creating energy and powering the electric market as a whole. Thank you, and we look forward to provide more information when required.